From wide-opening sliding sideways to insane huge freight conveying capacities, minivans exist in view of the reasonableness they offer. The open Sienna is a survivor in the minivan portion, and the Toyota has been at a bargain without a noteworthy overhaul for a long time. The Sienna still offers well, however, and we needed to find what works and what doesn't in the minivans inside. The Sienna Limited highlights delicate, leather-like material on the entryway boards, on the highest point of the dash, and before the capacity compartment on the traveler side of the dash. The trim and the delicate punctured cowhide situates successfully convey this is definitely not a base display minivan. Considering to what extent the present-age Sienna has been near, proofreader and boss Ed Loh was agreeably shocked by how great everything looked. The Sienna has heaps of inside space, alter the 3 lines of seats suitably, and you can serenely fit grown-ups in the initial 2 lines and marginally shorter, flexible grown-ups in the 3rd line, as well. The backs of the front seats are delicate, aside from a couple of snares on their inward edge, an accommodating point of interest for riders behind that may sporadically press their knees into the backs of those seats. One cool element, the 3rd push situates on our limited analyzer had control leaning back backrests,